Pi Network's securing position on Forbes' list of digital assets. I'm pleased to notify all the pioneers of this exciting information regarding Forbes' acknowledgment of the Pi Network for listings of digital assets. The American business publication, which is known as Forbes, is owned jointly by the Forbes family and Integrated Whale Media Investments. It is released 8 times a year and contains articles on business, industry, investing, and marketing-related topics. Forbes also covers related subjects like technology, communications, science, politics, and law. Guys, you really have to see this, as this might have a positive impact on the price of Pi Coin and Pi Network as a whole. If you are interested in anything about cryptocurrency or Pi Network, this is definitely the place for you. Before we proceed, this channel has started a daily giveaway of 50 Pi Coins to one lucky subscriber. To be that lucky winner, kindly be subscribed to this channel and comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji. Good luck to you all, guys. Let's get the party going. Forbes has officially placed Pi Network in their prestigious section listing digital assets, which is a huge development for the crypto industry. The value of Pi Network. A potential decentralized digital currency project just skyrocketed with a tiny increase of nearly 12.9%. Pi Network is a project that aims to develop a decentralized digital currency that is usable by regular people, and it has been slowly gathering support. In contrast to conventional crypto mining techniques, the network uses a novel strategy that enables people to mine the cryptocurrency directly from their mobile devices, making it more accessible and inclusive. Pi Network has great potential, and Forbes, which is known for its comprehensive coverage of financial and business topics, has chosen to include it in its listing of digital assets. This move will definitely improve Pi Network's standing in the cryptocurrency sector and grabs the interest of supporters and potential investors. The choice to include Pi Network in Forbes' list of digital assets was made shortly after cryptocurrencies saw a significant surge in value. Pi Network's price rose by a startling 12.9%, demonstrating the project's rising support and popularity. The unique consensus algorithm of the Pi Network, known as the proof of engagement, sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies. In addition to processing power, the Pi Network also relies on user involvement and social trust to secure its network and confirm transactions. This approach has been used by millions of people all around the world, creating a substantial user base. It is hoped that the Pi Network's Forbes listing will boost interest in the project and expand investment opportunities. It is predicted that the strong platform's endorsement will attract institutional and retail investors who are increasingly looking for reliable and promising digital assets. The long-term objective of the Pi Network's project is to create a decentralized and useful currency that benefits people all around the world. The network's designers are always working to enhance its usability, security, and infrastructure to give consumers a seamless experience. Bicata states that 50% of Pi Coin sales will be donated to deserving Filipino organizations. A well-known online marketplace called Bicata, which has its headquarters in the Philippines, announced its commitment to support the country's economy and educational system. Bicata claims that 50% of the money generated from the sale of goods on its platform would be given to educational scholarship programs in the form of Pi Coins. With the remaining 50%, several Filipinos will have work possibilities at their disposal. This ambitious objective will, however, only be possible if Pi Network is introduced to the open Mainnet. Pi is a virtual currency that gained enormous acceptance in the Philippines as a result of its original approach to cryptocurrency mining. Pi has a larger user base than traditional cryptocurrencies, since it allows users to mine money using their smartphones, which requires little computational power. The Pi community has the power to influence a wide range of fields, including education and earning a living. Bicata's commitment to giving educational scholarship programs 50% of the Pi Coin's profits shows how seriously it takes the progress and independence of young Filipinos. Bicata wants to provide talented people access to possibilities that they might not otherwise have because of financial constraints by investing in their education. By providing deserving students with the tools they need to attain their full potential and complete their education. This initiative has the ability to transform lives. The remaining 50% of the earnings will also go toward promoting livelihood programs in the Philippines. Bikata recognizes the importance of economic inclusion and seeks to offer durable solutions that help local community by investing in livelihood support. Bikata hopes to give people the opportunity to better their financial situation and so foster a more inclusive and prosperous community. But achieving these aspirational goals hinges on Pi's effective integration into the open Mainnet. The Mainnet launch represents a crucial turning point for the Pi network as it transitions from a test net environment to a fully operational and independent blockchain network. This fundamental step will provide Bikata with the framework it needs to implement its plans and effectively transfer the Pi coins' generated earnings to programs supporting livelihood support and educational scholarships. The commitment of Bikata to use Pi currency revenue for social impact initiatives is proof of the ability of cryptocurrencies to bring about change. Bikata focuses on education and livelihood starting in the Philippines and expanding its efforts to the rest of the world in an effort to make a long-lasting difference in the lives of Filipinos. As the launch of Pi on the open Mainnet draws near, the execution of these revolutionary breakthroughs is anticipated. Bikata's dedication to improving education and preserving livelihoods is positioned to set a positive example for the cryptocurrency industry and establish the foundation for employing digital currencies to address social concerns. Bikata, a well-known online market with roots in the Philippines, links buyers and sellers with its user-friendly platform. Bikata, which a company dedicated to creating social impact, seeks to leverage the potential of cryptocurrencies, particularly the Pi coin, to fund educational scholarship programs and livelihood projects in the Philippines. One of the qualities that sets the Pi network apart from other cryptocurrencies is the notion of no external noise. After that, the Pi network concentrates on building ecosystem infrastructure and enabling services that consumers may enjoy without being interrupted by outside noise, like sudden price adjustments or market manipulation. To do this, the Pi network develops the Pi network app and the Pi browser as its two main applications to make it easier for customers to use different Pi network ecosystem services. Pi Network built Pi Browser as a web browser. The Pi Network software is a mining tool used to obtain the Pi cryptocurrency. Pi Network has produced the Pi SDK software development kit, giving developers the resources they need to create Pi Network-based programs and services. The Pi SDK enables developers to create apps more quickly and securely by leveraging the infrastructure of the Pi network ecosystem, including strong security verification and data security. The Pi network ecosystem could be described as lacking in terms of a market. But many Pi network ecosystems, such PayAcard, have been created by innovators around the globe. The objective is to provide a decent Pi network utility while taking into account the many Pi network ecosystems that have arisen willing to accept Pi money for getting services or making purchases. Additionally, the Pi network is a thriving and increasing global network. The global Pi network community is made up of individuals with a wide range of experiences and skill levels. The Pi network also provides a referral mechanism, which can be used to grow its network and community, and believes that it can build a cryptocurrency ecosystem that is sustainable and accessible to all users if its community is involved and active in its development. Users that successfully refer new users to download and utilize the Pi network application can earn incentives through this program. Anyone can still download and use the Pi network program as of right now. The only prerequisites are having a smartphone and internet connectivity. Pi Network takes user security and privacy concerns into account in an effort to build a resilient ecosystem to prevent internet attacks and data breaches. Pi Network uses a strong verification system and routinely updates security technologies. Furthermore, the Pi Network respects user privacy and ensures that sensitive data won't be misused or distributed to unaffiliated third parties. Thanks to a solid ecosystem infrastructure and active community network, Pi Network is certain that it can create an open and sustainable cryptocurrency future. Pi Network is a unique cryptocurrency option with a focus on creating infrastructure and ecosystem utilities without becoming distracted by outside noise. That's all. Kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell.